Now the cloud cover, that's going to continue for the rest of the day. So you'll see a mix of sunshine and cloud cover, a few breaks in the clouds this afternoon. 56 degrees right now at DFW with winds out of the northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. So that wind, now that it's out of the north, has signified that our cold front has pushed through DFW. That's why it is cooler today. So our rain forecast today, non-existent. We're going to continue to dry out. Temperature does climb, but only to 64 degrees around 4. I'm giving it a good, great weather for the rest of the day, especially when you compare it to yesterday, right? Temperatures are going to drop into the mid 50s by around 10, low 50s as we head into the overnight hours. 65 the high temperature today in Fort Worth, Denton, and in McKinney. Low 60s for our western counties, and again, a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. High temperature climbs after today. 72 on Wednesday, 74 on Thursday, 79 on Friday. And then this weekend, we're talking upper 70s. Saturday night is when we see our next chance for storms. As of now, portions of North Texas under a slight risk for the potential of hail and strong winds. This is going to be a late Saturday into Sunday event. So let me show you what this looks like. Cloud cover Sunday as we head towards very early morning hours. So this is late Saturday into Sunday around midnight. You see these storms to our west. These storms move in and across DFW through very early Sunday, and then it dries out. By Sunday afternoon, we're looking at some clearing skies. Now, this is important to watch because if this system slows down, it's going to impact our eclipse viewing on Monday. If it speeds up, this system is out of here and we're seeing clearer conditions, which is fantastic news. I'm going to show you what it looks like here Sunday night into Monday morning. So I'm going to fast forward the clock. Here is the path of totality. That central line is where we're going to see the longest time in totality. So this is Monday. Before the sun comes up, it's actually clear. So we're looking at clear conditions to start Monday. But as the day goes on, we see more cloud cover coming in. It's because of moisture coming in from the Gulf and moisture coming in from the southwest. So this is what we're watching. The potential for morning sun. Clouds increase through the day. Rain right now looks like it stays to the southeast of the path, which is good news. So this is Monday around 1. This is where we see some of the cloud cover. Maybe we'll see a few breaks in the clouds. I'm a bit more optimistic today than I was yesterday. Of course, we're still several days out, so this is likely going to change. But as of now, it looks like we'll see some cloud cover very early for the partial eclipse. So partial eclipse begins at 12:23. 10% coverage, mainly to the southeast of the path, 70 degrees. When the total eclipse begins, 140, 142. This is when it peaks. We're looking at temperatures in the mid 70s, maybe some cloud cover. As of now, it does look like we'll see some more dense clouds to the southeast. Some high clouds are looking likely for areas more towards the north. And then we are looking at the partial eclipse ending at around 3. At that point, I'm thinking we see a little more cloud cover. So again, I'm more optimistic today than I was yesterday when looking at the models and the potential for cloud cover. I think we'll see clouds on eclipse day, but I think at this point, it looks like we'll see some high thin clouds, which will still allow us to view totality. Some of the low cloud potential, which would be the puffier clouds, the ones that would make it difficult to view, it looks like a lot of that stays to the southeast. So we'll be watching this. Of course, this is likely going to change, but the next several days looking clear. We'll be watching for storm potential Saturday night, and then again, an unsettled pattern early next week. And we'll keep you updated. Dia?